sessions, we should also educate the boys in terms of counseling sessions. Not all men are the same, but then what's the harm in creating awareness?
Well, counseling depends if you think there's a psychiatric problem with the child or with the person. Definitely counseling is advised, but on a general level, I think the first thing that comes about with anyone's behavioral pattern is the upbringing that the child is getting at home. You know, how much you can school or educate your child at home. I don't think even a school will teach you what your manners should be or how you should eat or how you should behave. But I think this all starts from home, and we mothers are also responsible for bringing up our sons to teach them the right thing.
How hard was it for you to prepare for this role?
It was very draining because when I heard the script, it was pretty disturbing. But unfortunately, this is what the harsh reality is. When we shot for it, after we shot the whole incident and you know what we had to show in the film, the whole unit took a 2-day break, and we constantly talk about it. And during filming, we were talking about it, that imagine us, we're just doing this on real life. Imagine the horrors of the family and the victims who actually go through this in real life. For them, they've already gotten a life sentence. So it's when I was dubbing also for the film, it was very moving because I saw everything in one flow and I just couldn't stop, but it is sad but true.
रवीना जी, अभी अभी जस्ट नेशनल अवार्ड का अनाउंसमेंट हुआ है जिसमें अक्षय कुमार का नाम बेस्ट एक्टर के लिए आया है क्योंकि आपने उनके साथ में काम किया है।
जी हाँ।
कुछ विश करना चाहेंगे आप उनके लिए?
I think it's excellent. I had not heard of this, so I'm very happy for everybody. Who all are there? Who else is what? Any? Really?
For the best film lead.
Damn good, yeah. Very good. Good. That's great. Good stuff.
Ma'am, there is also news for your movie that Bombay High Court has granted stay on your release for.
Yeah, they did. They did.
What do you like to say about it?
Well, it's the producer's problem, honestly, but as far what I heard till yesterday, it's all sorted out. So
It's going to release in.
it's going to release everywhere, but
Tell them the date.
Granted stay on the
it's releasing on 21st April, and they've granted a stay, most definitely. But that happens with so many movies beforehand, and I think some controversy like this should happen. No, it's
With
nowadays
every good movie it
with a
happens.
lot of movies, it's proved to be good. So I'm hoping this is a good sign.
Ravina, what is the secret to you looking fitter and nicer each day?
Overwork. I'm overworked. I've got this since January. It's that Sabse Bada Kalakar, which is now starting tomorrow on Sony on 8th April. Shooting for that, then promoting that. Finishing Matra, then promoting that. Then finishing Honest film. Thankfully, promotions haven't started for that. But I think promotions is more hard work than actually shooting a whole film. So, yeah, I think it is that. I've suddenly, what I haven't done, the kind of work that I've done in 10 years, I have done in these last 3 months.
One for Dr. Shah. Yeah.
Please.
You keep doing these inspiring award shows. One was like Shuri and then what's next?
There is one more we are doing. It's called Awards Zindagi Ki. That's basically a tribute to the martyrs of the nation who have given up their lives on duty. It's basically from the fire department, from the army, from the navy.
Wow.
We will just ensure that we keep doing it, and hopefully as the months roll by, I might be able to announce something much better, one more to go.
Dr. Anil, you have your business and you have all these philanthropic activities. I wanted to know, how do you manage both of these on a daily basis?
घर पे बीवी की डांट खाता हूँ. See, honestly speaking, all these activities, it's basically after office hours. I sit on my laptop after 10:30 in the night, search, and wherever need be, we sit amongst us as a team, as a unit. And there are moments when it's probably, if I'm not overboarding, there are moments we are working throughout the night also. But वो लाइन जरूर लागू है कि घर पे जूते जरूर खाता हूँ, पक्का।
Last two questions. Yes.
Wanted to know how do you go about choosing the winners, and are they like Mumbai specific or across the country?
It's a pan-India movement. All these awards, whatever we are doing, it's a pan-India movement. And see, it's basically, there are moments when we Google, we search, the search engine, there's a team which takes things forward. And also, a left investment. When we interact, we come to know so many stories. India is a continent that is full of stories. Ravina ji ne jaise kaha, when we say charity begins at home, likewise, आज वो एक दौर आ गया है when we have to educate ourselves, give our women that liberty that they can take things forward in the right way. आज let's talk about ourselves. यहाँ जितने मर्द बैठे हैं, मैं frankly एक चीज पूछना चाहूँगा, हम लोगों में से ऐसे कितने लोग हैं जो अपनी औरतों को पूरी लिबर्टी देते हैं? करके देख ले यार. That's it, you know.
Last question.
We have two of them here. One is Dr. Roshan Sheikh. Roshan, if you could just say hi to them.
Very inspiring stories of Roshan and Ketaki. Dr. Roshan, I should say, not just Roshan and Ketaki. Both of them. Yes. Please read in the magazine, you'll get all the information, and then if you all have any questions from them, please go ahead as well.
All right, then we would like to end the proceedings by
Thank you
thanking
so much.
Dr. Ajit Murarka, Ravina Tandon,
Thank you.
Mr. Nari Mira, and
Thank
the
you.
editor of Savvy Magazine.
Now,
Yeah, but she says she doesn't have the time to do it. Okay, it's okay. Thank you. Yeah, I'm going now.
Ravina ji, straight. Ravina ji, straight.
Come down.